Hi, I'm Stu Clark, Research Director at TERRO, and today we're talking fruit flies. Fruit flies in the kitchen, fruit flies that come in when you get back from the grocery store and then start to multiply. Yeah, they're a real problem. How do you deal with it? You trap the adult fruit flies. You need a trap. You need a trap that can sit discreetly in the kitchen, and you need a clear, non-staining lure. So, how does it work? You take the lure, you take half the lure, you put it in the first trap. You can monitor the level of the lure that's in there and also monitor the dead fruit flies, which is kind of fun to look at. And you place it out there. You keep an eye on it. We like to say 45 days later, take a look at it. It's probably time to replace it. Pull out the second trap, pull out the lure, fill it up, place it back. Now you've got 90 days control of fruit flies in the kitchen with these two traps. I keep it around all year, and as soon as I see a fruit fly, I pull it out and watch them get trapped inside. TERRO Fruit Fly Trap, it works.